Ivy League scientist reveals surprising secret to regaining your 20/20 vision. Do you know why, even with normal exams and safe living conditions, your vision continues to be impaired? Recent studies reveal that certain microorganisms present in food and in any environment affect intestinal protection, enter the bloodstream, and directly affect the ocular system. The result? Silent inflammation that affects the retina, optic nerve, and visual cortex, compromising progressive vision and with many irreversible effects. Studies published in journals such as Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science demonstrate that the intestinal microbiome can be lost between digestive decline and visual decline. 16 natural ingredients associated with surprising visual relationships, even in cases considered irreversible. Let's see what fishermen discover and how they can impact your vision.